What's going on here? This is posting everywhere. Oh hell Namama Cabana. Never watch this again because it broke my brain. Alright, let's swipe down until I saw something gross. These Donafries are f***ing post this. Don't ever f***ed up. Oi, you two better go shit. So many. Bro. First time I f***ing baited Sprunky. Please get Sprunky ships out, it's f***ing shakes my brain. And this also. Oh my flagger.
Hey, what the problem? Can you stop posting it? I am fucking literally sick. What is your problem? What is your problem? What is your problem? What is your fucking problem? Fuck you, Simon. Fuck you. I fucking really hate you. And Triple 2, you fucking nerd.